welcome back to our channel. When it comes to luxury travel gear, few names stand out like TUMI. Renowned for precision design, durable materials, and timeless elegance, their Voyageur Celina backpack is no exception. In this video, we'll explore standout features that make the Celina not just a backpack, but a statement of effortless sophistication and intelligent functionality, perfect for modern professionals, travelers, and style enthusiasts alike. Sleek and elegant design. The first thing that catches your eye is its sleek silhouette and minimalist charm. The Persia Crossbody's design is refined yet functional, making it equally at home on city streets, in airports, or at casual meetings. It's the ideal blend of elegance and utility, perfect for travelers who appreciate timeless style. Premium lightweight nylon construction. Made from lightweight, high-quality nylon, this bag is both durable and water-resistant. It stands up beautifully to daily use and travel, resisting wear and tear while maintaining that polished TUMI look. Every stitch, zipper, and accent reflects the brand's attention to quality and long-lasting performance. Padded laptop compartment. For those on the go, the dedicated padded laptop compartment fits most 14-inch laptops or tablets, keeping your device secure and easily accessible during travel or meetings. It's ideal for students, business travelers, or digital nomads who need mobility and protection. Trackable women's backpack. TUMI's durable backpack includes the exclusive TUMI Tracer program, providing peace of mind by enabling easy retrieval if lost. There's even a key leash and card pocket, so everything has its place, no more digging through your bag. Add a bag sleeve for easy travel. A TUMI signature, the Add a Bag sleeve. This feature lets you slip the Celina securely over your suitcase handle, making airport navigation effortless. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference during travel. Sustainable craftsmanship, timeless style. Built with eco-friendly materials and precision engineering, the Celina embodies TUMI's commitment to sustainability without compromise. It's designed to last for years, a perfect balance of form, function, and conscience. The TUMI Voyageur Celina backpack proves that luxury travel gear can be both beautiful and functional. Elegant, durable, and thoughtfully crafted, it's more than a backpack, it's an experience of effortless sophistication. The thoughtful placement keeps your essentials right where you need them and always within reach. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.